chatbot application here, and as you can see, pretty much like scrolling like Tinder, and pretty much can scroll and look at these AI chatbot which you can talk with. As you can see here, you can scroll and pretty much look for whichever chatbot that I want to speak with. And do keep in mind, these are not really human or real people behind of these chatbots. They're pretty much AI. So you just search for what you want, and once you've said, let's say you're from one of these chatbots here, you can just tap on the chat option. Once you tap on the chat option, you'll be able to text with this AI bot here. So you can either send photos, role play option there, you have the dress up option there, and it does, as you can see here, it replies to your messages and so forth. You can also call the chatbot AI. If I do tap on the call icon there, I'll be able to call the chatbot. So I'm just going to send the AI chatbot here something simple, as you can see here, and it will give me a reply based on what I've sent. And here, if I don't have anything in mind, these are just some things that I can ask the AI, but these are just if I don't have anything in mind to ask the AI. And here I can tap on the bell icon here to pretty much show me ideas. If I don't like this one, I can just tap on the rebuild option here, and it will pretty much give me some different ones which I can ask the AI, as you can see here. Do keep in mind, some of the times, some of these chatbots can require kind of coins for you to talk with. As you can see here, name base, tap on the option at the top here. You have the expert option, which pretty much requires a pro subscription. So to get the best speech or talk with an AI, you're gonna need a pro version there. But and the memory option, so you can see here, you're gonna need a pro version as well. So nothing much for that. And in the discovery section here, you can pretty much see others as well. You can also search for if you have something in mind or something specific. You can also go ahead and search. So if I go back here, I can tap on the create option and pretty much create my own bot like this, as I can see here, but I will need a pro subscription. So how to get a pro subscription for this application? All you have to do is tap on the pro option at the top, and you'll be able to see their pro subscription. However, they don't offer any 3 days or 7 days free subscription, guys. But if you do get your subscription with the subscription, which is only, let's say $1, is not that expensive, and you do get a 12-month subscription here for $50. And this, you pretty much get everything as it relates to the application here, and you can see all plans option to see all their plans that they offer. As you can see here, they have 1 month lifetime subscription and they have a 12-month subscription here as well. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Very, very simple application if you want to talk with a girl AI chatbot or boy AI chatbot. May this application be for you. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below. I will gladly love to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.